In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a slackline. First, choose the right location. Look for two healthy, sturdy trees set about 10 to 20 feet apart, or roughly 3 to 6 meters if you're just starting out. A shorter distance makes balancing far easier and keeps tension manageable. The ground between them should be flat and soft. Grass is ideal because it's forgiving if you step off. Avoid dead or weak trees, anything with sharp edges or metal poles, and hard surfaces like concrete. The goal is a safe, forgiving setup that protects both you and the environment. Next, protect the trees. Wrap tree protection pads around both trunks at around knee height for a beginner-friendly line. If you're aiming for more bounce later on, you can go a bit higher, but start low to build confidence. These pads prevent bark damage and add friction so your anchors don't slip. Now attach the main line. At the first tree, wrap the slackline around the padded trunk and thread it through the sewn loop or your anchor system. Keep the webbing flat without twists so it loads evenly. Take the ratchet strap to the second tree, wrap it around the padding, and feed the free end through the ratchet slot. Before you start cranking, pull the line tight by hand to remove as much slack as possible. This makes fine-tuning easier and protects the ratchet. Then ratchet slowly until the line firms up. Don't over-tighten. You're aiming for a gentle bounce, not guitar string tight. Close and lock the ratchet fully, and keep any loose tail tucked safely out of the way. Check your tension and height. For beginners, the line should sag slightly at the midpoint, and when you step on it, it shouldn't touch the ground. Aim for a working height of about 1 to 2 feet above the ground. If it's brushing the ground when you stand on it, add a bit more tension. If it's too rigid, back it off. Before you walk, test the setup. Press down with your hand to confirm the anchors feel solid and the line returns smoothly. Sit on the line gently to feel the give. Then stand near one tree where the line is most stable and shift your weight onto it gradually. If you lose balance, step off to the side safely rather than trying to save it. That's your complete setup: a good location, protected anchors, a correctly rigged line, proper beginner tension and height, and a simple pre-walk test. Take your time, double check your anchors, and enjoy the process. Steady progress starts with a safe, well-built slackline.